How y'all doing? I got my camera in today. Let's check it out. Do a little review on it. Been waiting for this for a while. I ordered it through Best Buy and they just took forever on the delivery. They kept delaying the delivery, but it's finally here. I'm excited to add it to my collection. Paper I don't need. It is the Brave 7 LE. Good reviews on it. It's all positive. 4K. Has the wind noise thing on it to eliminate wind noise, and has the stabilization for the video. Comes with two batteries and a remote control. So it comes with all this stuff. So waterproof case, remote control, battery charger, battery mount, helmet mount, handlebar mount, zip tie strap, USB cable, quick start guide, and an action camera. Does it come with a wrench in here? So I've been waiting a couple weeks for this camera. And I'm excited. Here is a wrench. It's a little spot right on the camera, if you can see that. Remove before using. Okay. I never had a waterproof case, so I don't know how that works. I know it cases it and it's sealed. Oh, it's on. It has a, you can see that mark right there. Where are we going video? Why would they have a little mark right there? I can tell you now, the plastic, you can see just by rubbing it, it gives like a little scratch marks on it. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. It's not very good to have a camera with the, right where the viewable lens is. I don't know if you can see that. Look, a little mark on it, a little scratch. But anyway, here's the camera. Super small. It's not like the Hero Session I have. I like this one here. It's been a great camera. I do like how small it is, but it doesn't have the screen on it. Put off the film the camera. Okay. So let me put the batteries on charge. Put that there. One battery. Okay, I guess that stays with it. Let's get that. I do like it because it has two batteries. That was kind of cool. My GoPro, it gets hot when you're using Bluetooth on it. And this is supposed to be Bluetooth. Okay. Now, see how this is. It comes with the cable. I'm going to hook this up and get the batteries charging. I actually have a, no, it's not that plug-in. All right. I already have a charger here set up. It's for my phone. Just gotta switch the plug-in thing. So here we go. I'll show it to you. So right now the batteries are charging. Plug it in there. So right now the batteries are charging. I'll keep them on charge and let's see what we have. All right, so now, not sure what that is, and this must be your remote. I'm gonna put the empty packages in there. So here's all your attachments. Pretty cool. I'm gonna take them out of the package. Okay, it comes with the mounts, handlebar mount, some zip tie, some double sticky stuff here, foam or whatever you want to call it, tape, comes with that. Okay, and this is your, I won't cut that, this is your mount, sticky on that. So it comes with a lot of accessories. It comes with bunch of which is kind of cool. I mean, if it doesn't fit the GoPro, then you'll need them. If it's interchangeable with the GoPro, I'm just going to have a lot of stuff then. I won't open that. That's like Velcro straps or something. So all these out here I will open. So I'm not sure what this thing is right here. So here's your strap, here's your remote. What did I do with the remote? Right here, next to the empty case. Hopefully won't need a battery for that. I'll peel the little lens things off. That's 1, 2. Getting started. Peel off the film. Screen camera, come in, make sure. Format. Okay, so I got to put my USB card in there. I have a few different cards. So right now I'm just going to use see, I have a 64. So batteries need to be charged. Tell you what, I'll get back with you in a little bit. But overall, so far, it looks alright. I wasn't too happy about this little, I don't know if you can see that little scratch. It's only on the casing, so it's okay, but still. I'll take off. No, I'm going to leave. Yeah, I better take off, because knowing me, I'll forget it. And when I do video. Okay. So, let me go ahead. I'll be back in a little bit. The battery will be charged, and we'll go ahead and see how to turn it on and all that good stuff. And we'll Bluetooth to the phone and go from there. Okay, here. After using it for a while, I like the camera. Super nice. On the video stabilization, it doesn't do it in 4K. It only does it on the 1080. So if you want to use a video stabilization, you got to do it 1080 or under. Not the 4K. So that's kind of a bummer. Still super nice pictures. Other negative I kind of don't care for. It's not like the GoPro. It looks similar, but the way it mounts on this here, it's kind of super hard to get on the clip here. You got to kind of like line this little latch, goes inside there. And you can't push it forward because it's hard to lift. So like, just have a super hard time. They kind of over-engineered it, in my opinion. So you see, you got to get the back end because they have to line up. So I don't care for this that much. So you got, it just says, see now, the back isn't lined. There you go, now it's lined up. Super hard. I mean, there you go, now it's lined up. Then you just put this in here, which ain't going to come out without it anyway. Super hard to get in. So to get it out, just pull it straight up and a little hard. That's what they say to do. And there you go. Like I said, it's kind of hard. So I'm not crazy about that. I like the GoPro better. I do like all the accessories, attachments. That's nice. You got 2 battery packs. They're fully charged now. Water case. I like the remote. Super nice. So overall, it's a good deal. I recommend it. I might even get another one later on to have 2 cameras set up, 3 cameras or whatnot. So thank you for watching my review. Give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe. I appreciate it. Gets me motivated to do more videos. Hope you enjoy them. And if you got any comments, leave them in the box. Thanks a lot. Bye.